In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on Facebook. So what you want to do is open up Facebook, click on the bottom right to open up this setting, then click on settings and privacy. From there, you want to click on settings again and see more in account center, the first option. From here, you want to click on personal details, click on contact information, then click on your email, and then you can just add another account. But let's just proceed on. As you can see, you have your email here and who is using it. If we go back, we can click on add new contact, add email address, and then add your email address and for what account do you want to use this email address for. Then you just need to follow on-screen instructions and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.